Hi, just a quick video here on how to change a battery in a GMC remote fob. There is a button on the side here. You just push this button and the key pulls right out. Once you have that out, you just pry the two pieces apart like that. And there is the battery. It is a 2032 battery. And just get yourself a screwdriver and pry the old one out. There we go. New one in the same way, printed side down. Then all you have to do is put the two halves back together. They should snap. There you go. Put your key back in. You're all set. Thanks for watching.